Sana pala di ko na muna inuwi, no? Para naglaro kami ni Alex. Grabe, ang galing niya. Wala akong masabi. What is up, guys? It's your favorite Tito Chuck, and we got the tickets for Alex Ayala's game today. Sobrang sold out. Luckily, I was able to secure one, and I'm really excited. It's my first time na mapapanood siya. I've been following her since yung juniors niya. Andito na kami ngayon sa Qatar Tennis Federation, and papasok na tayo, see kung ano makikita natin sa loob. That's the venue. Yan. Ang witness natin today si Alex. Currently walking now towards the venue, and I can't wait na makita yung game ni Alex today. Look at this. Beautiful. So teka, hanapin ko muna yung entrance and then mag-video ako ulit later. Let's go, Alex. Malamang yung kalaban, but I know Alex will pull this off. Really exciting. Nakakaba. Alex got a point. Buti nag-sunblock tayo kanina, or else tostado tayo ngayon. I hope I'm clear. Ayan, so naka-break ngayon, guys. Alex started off a bit slow, pero bumabawi ang bata natin. Grabe, ang galing niya. Wala akong masabi. At nakakatawa, I've been watching tennis yearly dito sa Doha, but this is the first time na nakakapanood ako ng isang Filipino playing tennis here sa Qatar. Madami pang hindi nakakapasok. Sold out yung ticket, pero may mga empty seats pa. Let's go, Alex! Woo! Alex is serving. Yes. So break now. Alex is still leading.
Si Alex!
So ano masasabi mo sa game ni Alex sa first set?
Ano sir? Intense kasi yung kalaban niya magaling din, pero support Philippines pa rin tayo, tiwala lang. Go Alex!
Super galing. How about you? Ano masasabi mo sa game ni Alex?
Kailangan ng saging!
Kailangan ng saging. Go, Alex! Guys, Alex is here. Or dadaan siya dito. I hope we could see her. Grabe yung crowd na kinukuha ni Alex. Anticipation is high. Super inaabangan namin si Alex dito. Sana dumaan na siya dito, please. Ayun guys, so andito kami sa paddle shop. Wala tayong makuhang tennis racket, so ito muna. Alam mo yung tennis racket ko, inuwi ko na sa Pilipinas. Sana pala di ko na muna inuwi, para naglaro kami ni Alex. Ang mahal, grabe. 1,000 reals. So nasa 16,000 pesos ang isa. Sana all mayaman. Ito walang presyo eh. Pag walang presyo, ibig sabihin na mahal. Sasampalin tayo ng kahirapan. Ito 1,400. So nasa 25,000. Oh my God.
Ang professional na ba yan, sir?
Pang Alex Ayala lang yan. Alright, so unfortunately hindi nanalo si Alex today, but nevertheless you did our country proud. Sobrang daming supporters mo ditong Filipino sa Qatar, and we're just so glad to have witnessed you play and show your strength sa court na yon. But it's okay, marami pa namang laban, and we hope na makita ka pa namin ulit dito sa Doha or sa ibang courts pa sa buong mundo. Congratulations Alex, you're just so great, you're such a great athlete. Just made us all proud. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Sobrang nakaka-proud si Alex, and sobrang happy namin. Nag-enjoy talaga kami. Intense, grabe. So, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tito Chuck's Vlogs. And just like what I always say, I'll do my best to make you happy. I love you. Bye-bye.